Hey guys, Mateo here with Byrider Madison again with another vehicle highlight on our 2014 Ford Flex. Has a remote start to it, easy as pressing the button twice and turning your vehicle on. This fine piece of machinery is a all-wheel drive, 6-speed automatic, and can comfortably fit 7 people with third row seating. And it comes with an optional, unmatched 4-year, 48,000-mile service contract. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get yourself in a newer, nicer vehicle and back on track to rebuilding your credit, and call today.